Now look at this. This is very, very important, and we have talked about this so many times. This is a slit lamp image. This is a slit lamp image, and inside this you can see the central plaque-like opacity. You can see the central plaque-like opacity. So if you are seeing a central plaque-like opacity, this is actually posterior subcapsular cataract, that is PSC, okay? Posterior subcapsular cataract. Now another important thing is, what are the causes of this posterior subcapsular cataract? Because this causes the maximum diminution of vision. So the morphology, again an important PYQ, the morphology which causes maximum diminution of vision is this posterior subcapsular cataract. So what are the causes of the PSC? The causes of PSC is I got a BSC. I got a BSC. So I for the ionizing radiations. Ionizing radiations is an important cause for the posterior subcapsular cataract, especially the glass blowers cataract. G for glass blowers cataract. This glass blowers cataract is caused by the infrared rays. Then we have got A for atopic dermatitis. A for atopic dermatitis. And what is the name of this cataract? This cataract is called as a shield cataract. This is called as a shield cataract. Then B for busulfan. Another drug is the busulfan. Then we have S for the steroids. Steroids are important source of posterior subcapsular cataract. Now another mnemonic that I usually tell you in relation to steroids is the GTCS, generalized tonic-clonic seizures. So the topical steroids, if I talk about the topical steroids, it causes the glaucoma. And if I talk about the systemic steroids, it causes the cataract. Okay. Now which type of cataract? Posterior subcapsular. What type of glaucoma? Secondary open angle glaucoma. It is a secondary open angle type of glaucoma. And then we have got C. C for chloroquine. Chloroquine causes the posterior subcapsular cataract. Then we also have the C. C for the Christmas tree cataract. Christmas tree cataract. And then also C for something else also, which is important for your NEET PG 2023. That is the complicated cataract. C for the complicated cataract also, and I am sure you are going to get one question in complicated cataract in the 2023. So you have to remember that complicated cataract is the posterior subcapsular cataract. It is occurring after the most common cause is the chronic anterior uveitis, and the two very, very important features. What were the two important features of this cataract? 1 and 2. One was the polychromatic luster. One is the polychromatic luster, and second is the breadcrumb appearance. Polychromatic luster and breadcrumb appearance are the two important features, also very, very important. Okay.